Welcome to Rankings. Top 7 largest warships in the world. A warship is a ship equipped with weapons and designed to take part in warfare at sea. 7. Nuclear cruiser of the Project 1144 Orlan. Country, Russia. Length, 250 meters. Width, 28.5 meters. Displacement, 25,860 t. Full crew, 1,035 people. 6. Universal landing ships of the type, America. Country, USA. Length, 257.3 meters. Width, 32.3 m. Displacement, 45,700 tons. Full crew, 1,059 crew plus landing 5. Universal landing ships of the type, WOSP. Country, USA. Length, 257.30 meters. Width, 42.67 m. Displacement, 40,532 tons. Full crew, 1,147 crew plus landing 4. Aircraft carriers of the Clemenceau type. Country, Brazil. Length, 265.0 meters. Width, 51.2 meters. Displacement, 32,780 tons. Full crew, 1,338 people. 3. Aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle. Country, France. Length, 261.5 meters. Width, 64.36 meters. Displacement, 42,000 tons. Full crew, 1,200. 2. Carriers of the Project 1143 cruisers. Country, Russia. Length, 306.45 meters. Width, 71.96 meters. Displacement, 59,100 tons. Full crew, 1,980 people. 1. Aircraft carriers of the Nimitz type. Country, USA. Length, 332.8 meters. Width. Subscribe the channel to watch more ranking videos.